If you're a developer, agency owner, or freelancer buried under a mountain of projects, drowning in deadlines, and desperately looking for that elusive quick fix to build a client site in less than a minute, trust me, you don't want to miss this. So picture this. You can create a staging site in less time that it takes to brew your favorite morning coffee. This is me, all because of InstaWP staging site, the revolutionary solution I didn't know I needed as a freelance and agency owner. With InstaWP, I could whip up a whole full website, tweak all the design elements, and test every plugin without breaking a sweat. It's like having your little laboratory where you can test freely without consequences, just pure creativity, if you can imagine that. But wait, it gets even better. With InstaWP, I can handle client feedback in real time. Instead of making changes and sending them back and forth and making all this silly dance, we were able to collaborate seamlessly. So imagine impressing your clients with a polished site in just one day. How would that be? So buckle up, my WordPress warriors. I'm about to show you how you can use InstaWP staging site to create and launch sites in just 24 hours. Just 24 hours. Let's go. Okay, first things first, creating a staging site with InstaWP takes less than a minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Seriously, it's like microwave popcorn, but for websites. Here's how you do it. Log in into your InstaWP dashboard. Click on Create Staging Site. Choose how you want to create your staging site. You have 3 options here, either from a template, from scratch, and using store. And then just click Create Staging Site. And that's it. Boom! Your site is created. And your staging site is ready faster than you can say overdue deadline. Just like that. All right, so once my staging site is up, I dive right in to building the actual website. And here's where the magic happens. I customize everything from design to plugins, just the way my clients want. You have no idea how empowering it is to feel like you can do anything without the fear of breaking anything on the live site. No idea. It's really liberating. Okay, now let's talk about testing and troubleshooting. InstaWP lets me run real-time tests. If something's off, I can fix it on the staging site. And guess what? I avoid those awkward oops moments during client presentations where something breaks and I have no idea why that happens. All right, so once I have built the website, it's showtime for client presentation and of course feedback, which is very important. And here's the magic part. Again, I can save the staging site as a shared template and send the link straight to my client. With InstaWP, inviting clients to the staging site for live testing is a breeze. It's sort of like giving them VIP access backstage to their very own website launch parties. This little trick, let's call it a little trick, has slashed our revision frequency in half, which means less time on revisions, more time on new clients, new business. All right, and now it's deployment time, which is kind of the best part because everything has gone without a hitch so far, and deploying to InstaWP Live, it's just a one-click magic show, I would say. So all our hard work is seamlessly transferred to the live site, and I'm left with a happy client and a big sigh of relief. Just like that. Okay, some clients have their favorite hosting provider. They already have hosting. It makes sense, right? But that's not the problem at all. Thanks to InstaWP Connect, I can seamlessly migrate websites to their hosting provider. Again, all this magic, let's call it magic because it feels like it sometimes, means that I can build and launch sites in just 24 hours. Fast client site delivery, it's not just a nice to have, it's a game changer, honestly. A speedy turnaround has supercharged our revenue and productivity, resulting in more referrals and repeat clients. And let's be honest, who doesn't want more business, especially as an agency owner, freelancer, right? It's a total win-win. After using InstaWP for over a year, I can vouch for its power. Honestly, it's a game changer. By using InstaWP, you can cut your development time dramatically. Plus, embracing real-time testing helps you avoid those last-moment hiccups that can happen sometimes when you build websites, right? And don't forget to take advantage of client feedback through your staging site. It really makes a whole lot of difference. And remember, the faster you deliver, the happier your clients will be. Now, if you're thinking, oh, this sounds all fantastic and cool, but how do I get started? For all of you lovely folks watching, we have a special discount code for you. Use the coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off the monthly plans for the next 6 months. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and experience InstaWP magic for yourself. So there you have it, folks. That's how I built and launched a client site in one day with InstaWP. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Want to share own triumph? Hit me up in the comments below. Let's keep the momentum going and let's make WordPress development fast, fun, and fabulously efficient. Until next time, happy developing.